Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day number... I've even forgotten the count of what day it is today because I've just been randomly vlogging, and trust me, it's one of the best decisions I've made for myself, because as someone who wants to plan and practice everything and want to make everything perfect before actually coming out on stage, this would have been never ending. But today is a very, very productive and a busy day. I've already finished my breakfast and coffee. I had some sprouts and paneer stir fry in the morning, and the reason I didn't vlog earlier because I was actually in a rush. Now I have 5 minutes, so I thought I'll quickly start the intro. And can you hear this noise? It's so annoying that I can't even record my shoot videos and stuff these days, because I'll show you why. This is what's happening right under my house, right under where I live. Construction work. Because of this, I'm not able to shoot half the time. So yeah, it's a bit effed up, but I'm trying my best to keep the consistency on, because once I break that, then it's difficult to just get up and get going. And the reason I say it's a busy day is because I have to go to Bandra for my work that I do for a business, and then come back home to doing my work. So hustling, but it's all worth it. So now I'm just quickly gonna book my cab, auto, whatever I get the quickest, and rush and take you along with me. Also, I have not made my lunch today, so because no time, so we are going to order in. And why no time, I'll tell you all. So because of this construction work that goes on throughout the day, I sit on my content work later in the night. मतलब बहुत late, हाँ? जैसे कि 11 बजे के बाद and all, because then that's completely silent and I can focus, because creative work needs a lot of attention, just like me. So then I sleep late. Then I have to wake up early, go to the gym. I already finished gymming, and I feel I've not injured, but I've hurt my tailbone while lifting weights today because I'm not able to sit properly. And I just hope that it doesn't get worse and just gets better. So anyhow, so late sona, fir jaldi uthna. So that's why today I couldn't find time to make lunch for myself. So I quickly made a breakfast and had this. But we'll order something at work. Okay. I have some breakfast left. I'm quickly going to pack it and give it to my watchman Dada, because I don't like wasting food, and someone gets to eat it, and he's a very sweet person. So I'm going to do that. This is what it looks like, running around in the morning. And then I call myself a hustler. Yeah, like a hustler. Also, do you see the quality of the videos have gone better? Because now I'm shooting everything on my iPhone, because luckily I've been able to streamline everything. This noise gets on my nerves. Now let's get to work. Good morning. ये लीजिए, थोड़ा सा नाश्ता है, और मेरा ना एक पार्सल आने वाला है. ठीक है, वो कैश ऑन डिलीवरी है, 1500 उसको दे देना. ठीक है, मुझे फ़ोन करना, वो आएगा तभी, और उसको दे देना. मैं फिर दूसरे वॉचमैन को दे देना, मैं रात को आऊँगी तब ले लूँगी. थैंक यू, गुड डे. Look at this, guys, look at this. Right under my flat. How am I even supposed to work like this? So this shows my cab is almost here. Let's go and get one. There it is. There it is, my cab. 9353. It's so humid. I won't even say hot, because when it's hot, it's still sometimes bearable, but when it's humid, your face, your body, everything feels sticky, Skin gets very oily, and the air is heavier to breathe. I just wish it starts raining. It's too humid in Mumbai now. Guys, the universe works in such mysterious ways. I just complained about the humidity and how hot I've been feeling, despite, I booked a cab and all, but there was a bhandara going on right behind, and suddenly this very, very sweet gentleman knocked at our doors, like our windows, and offered us this sharbat. Universe, you gotta keep your energy right, guys. This is Ruh Afza. Remember बचपन में जो हम पीते थे? It's exactly that. It's so amazing. God is great. And every time I pass by this route, when I see the water, I feel so happy, Just like every time I pass by the Juhu beach, no matter how many times I've been there or how many times I've been on the ceiling and whatever, जब I see this part, I just feel so happy. 15 हाँ, आप वॉचमैन दादा को दे दीजिए मेरा पार्सल और वो आपको कैश दे देंगे. ओके दादा, थैंक यू. Finally, my parcel is here. This dress I've ordered. It's been 15 days and I was really waiting for this dress. This dress that I ordered was actually for a date night and I've actually been waiting for this dress since 15 days. Okay, there was a delay from their end and it's such a beautiful dress. And that time I was going to go out on a date. Then it got canned for some reason. I don't know. I just canned it. And now when I have the dress, I don't have a date because I'm so occupied with work that. But I have a dress and let's see where I wear it. Right now I have no idea, but I will definitely show you guys what a pretty dress that is. Finally at my workplace after almost 1 hour 30 minutes in the traffic. Now I get to do my work. पानी नहीं, मेरे को विटामिन सी दो थोड़ा ठंडे पानी में, बहुत वो लगा है. एक काम करो, कॉफ़ी पियो कि
अभी धूप से आए हो ना.
हाँ,
विटामिन सी देता है तो ये नहीं चलेगा.
ठीक है, हेलो विटामिन सी दे दो. थैंक्स साहिल. My team guys is so sweet. Everyone that works here, everyone is such a sweetheart. Like they literally care for each other and that's beyond just professional capacity of working, you know. I love it. I love where I work. The lighting here is so much better. But now I need to get to work. So I will not be filming way too much as I do at my home. Just snippets of here and there. But you will get a glimpse of what my work day looks like. Which I think I've already posted a video of what my work day looks like. But it's never the same. There are different types of tasks that I have on certain days. Today the admin head is on leave. So I have to also look after that part. That's how we all work. You know, we kind of... replace each other when the other one's missing, and I think that's a great team building. What do you call it? That's a very good team building. Team building what? I can't remember the word, but you got it. Team building. Something. Okay, bye. That's my vitamin C. साहिल एक काम करो, सिर्फ ये नायदा मैम का लैपटॉप रख दो अंदर. मेरे को स्पेस चाहिए मेरा लैपटॉप रखने के लिए और ये सब चार्ज हो गया तो निकाल दो. So this is a vitamin C drink that we all drink. It has 1000 mg's vitamin C. It's sugar free and it's a great refreshment if you're coming from a hot space or from heat. Then this really hydrates. And as a part of wellness, this is a practice that we all do. It's almost afternoon and I'm just planning to order some good lunch for myself. Just brainstorming. What do I eat? I want to eat something that's not too heavy, but something nice. Let's see. I don't have time for lunch, so I'm just gonna stick to cookies and coffee. Okay? Okay. Thank you. This is going to be my lunch for today. ये माझा lunch है. Karla. So this is what I'm having. These are, by the way, oats cookies, sugar free, and my sugar free coffee. But yeah, this is like a quick lunch fix for myself today. Sometimes I just have my lunch on the go. Right now I'm just kind of snacking on the go. So already आधा दिन हो चुका है and I haven't had lunch. And now if I have lunch, I will not be able to eat proper dinner. which I'm more keen on because I want to sit and relax and eat a proper dinner as why the hell am I forgetting words these days? Like a treat to myself for working so well the whole day. So I'm just going to stick to basics, coffee and cookies for now, and then probably order something nice, treat myself with something nice at night. So yeah. मला हे विचारायचं आहे कि मैं बहुत बॉसी हूँ क्या? हाँ साहिल, मैं बहुत बॉसी हूँ कि डर लगे वैसा?
नहीं
सच
नहीं
आप ऐसे नहीं है, बहुत अच्छे।
हाँ पर बॉसी नहीं हूँ ना,
बिल्कुल नहीं,
कभी भी डर नहीं लगा ना मुझसे।
बिल्कुल
कभी
नहीं।
भी नहीं जब से आया हूँ तब से कभी भी नहीं।
ये भी बेकार चीज है, थोड़ा लगना चाहिए। काम भी तो ऐसा
कामामध्ये एकदम परफेक्ट असलं पाहिजे।
हो, कामाला
बाकी
परफेक्ट
आपण मस्ती करतो ते वेगळी,
मस्ती असली पाहिजे पण काम प्रॉपर होऊ
होम झाल्यानंतर।
हो, करेक्ट। I just want to go home now, relax, change into my sweatpants or something very comfortable, order a nice meal, a warm meal, watch something nice, just call it a good day. This is how serious my team is all the time, especially this one. साहिल चालू केला कॅमेरा, आता तुला काय करायचं कर,
हसू नको, बोल तू, बोल ना,
बोल। मंडल आपले आभारी आहे।
मैम आप बर्फ खा रहे हैं?
मुझे कभी कभी स्ट्रेस में बर्फ खाने की आदत है।
कैसे मैम? ऐसे मैं कभी खाती हूँ तो पूरी झिंझिनाहट आती है, आपको नहीं आती?
मेरे टूथपेस्ट में नमक है।
मैम नमक होने से कोई फायदा है क्या?
सेंसोडाइन यूज करो, सेंसोडाइन।
ओह,
डाल
कल
दी।
से मैं आज से ही स्टार्ट करूँगी।
करो करो। Almost time, like it's evening and I'll be heading home in a bit. This is my third coffee of the day. This is so I'm not actually eaten anything after the breakfast that I had with the sprouts and paneer, and it's not a good thing, nothing to be proud about. क्योंकि मैंने कुछ नहीं खाया. Genuinely been a very very busy day, but my team is so cute. So one of them got an apple, so she's like, you're not only having coffee, I'm gonna get an apple for you cut करके. So grateful and blessed to have such wonderful people around.
ओके।
The reason I am glowing always. Glow getter from Shifa Wellness, guys. So finally it's 7:45 and it's time I go home, and I got a call from my maternal family, my mommy and all, and we have like a quick family dinner there. So I'm actually going there and I'm going to enjoy a good meal. So let's get going. So I'm finally at my mama's house, sitting with my nani, and this is the house I've grown up at. So I have so many memories, and that's my nani. I love him so much. Finally back home, and it's 11:30 at night, and I just hope that they don't start with this construction work early tomorrow. I barely get to sleep. खाना खा रहे हो आप? खाना खा लो, मेरे को सिर्फ मेरा पार्सल चाहिए। मैं ले लेती हूँ, आप खाना खाइए। मेरे को सिर्फ बता दो कौन सा है। हाँ ये रहा। आप खाइए आराम से, पैसे बाद में आप खा लो. So I'm finally home after a super long day of work. And it's been really tiring but very productive and very exciting day. I finally got my dress, but I am going to unbox it tomorrow and probably, or I might just check, but I will show it to you guys probably in the next vlog. And now I have to freshen up and sit to work on my content. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe so I can keep creating more. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.